What's up, guys? Figured I'd do a little stash update slash what I have left from the four. Yeah, let's jump into it. Got a couple boxes of crackling silver dragon left, the big cone fountain. 2 boxes, 2 in each box. Old critical acclaim from like I don't know, '05 or something. Couple of the good pulse pounders, 3, the good version. Golden King up there, some speed demons, some candles. Hold on, bucket of shells. Let me show you. Bear with me here, guys. Some Cock Awakens, Thrillers, Trumps, Destroyers, Nashiki Nightmare, yeah, a whole bucket. Two packs of jungles, 2 packs of radioactives, box of Cock Awakens, banger shells, half a box of Thrillers, half a box of Trumps, Superpower, Straight Whistling of Thunder. This is actually Salute. It says Crackling by Wizard. 1.4 Pro. This is a full case. The rest of them are like 3/4 of a case. I think this is Eye Candy, Riding Dirty, Danger Zone, Hot Shot, pack of Hellcats, and then a single one. Let's go over here. Got Total Rockets, some Devils, some Moonshots, some 2-inch artilleries, 4 packs of the Mars down there. All banger rockets, so it's pretty dope. Case of Mega Willows, minus 4 packs, so it's like 14 packs in there. And I also got a pack of the Pyro Diablo candles in there on top. I'm not trying to open it up though. You have to take my word for it. But yeah, man, that's it. I'll be back, as the season goes on. You know what I mean? So Happy New Year's to all the powers out there, and see y'all in the next one. Peace.